Welcome to HomeFinder, presented by DB, the web application solution to help you find your new dream place to live. The first screen you'll encounter is our login screen. Powered by Auth0 authentication technology, we'll sign in here using my Google account. Our home page is defaulted to the Richmond, Virginia metropolitan area. On the left, we have our Metro query search. This is our first complex query, which joins together our location, Zillow, and IRS tables together to provide pin placements on the map. Let's go ahead and double-click on one of these pins in the downtown area. In the Museum District, we can see that the average home price is about $553,000. Right. If we choose to live in the suburbs, though, we can save up to $200,000 with an average home price of only $350,000. As we zoom out, we can toggle each pin by toggling the radio buttons on the left. The query autofill is optimized by using an index on the Zillow table on zip codes. Let's go ahead and search for Philadelphia. The optimization allows us to reduce the search time by about 50% down to 370 milliseconds. Let's go ahead and double click on the Rittenhouse area. And wow, the average home price is nearly $750,000.
Our slider search page lets you put in city, state, or zip code and click search. It puts those values in a where clause of an SQL query that returns here. You can sort the results however you want and then click on individual ones to see more details about that zip code. Here it even gives the percentiles to see how density, home price, income, or home price multiple of income stack up against the rest of the nation. And it shows those in a radar chart or a bar chart, however you want to see it. That percent rank is accomplished in a CTE subquery that first ranks all the zip codes by all those characteristics, and then the main query selects the rest of the details that you see in the table and the pop-up. Let's say you can afford a $600,000 house, but you want per capita income in the area around $100,000. And you take a look and you realize, hey, I know Paoli, PA in the Philadelphia suburbs. And you look and you see, okay, it's very high earning. So it ends up not being too unaffordable to buy a house. But you say, oh, wow, I might be just as comfortable in the Chicago suburbs. And you can see from the radar chart that it's very similar in the nationwide percentiles to Paoli, PA. So it's a great way to search for a new home.
Our last page is the statistics page, which displays 6 of our most interesting queries. Each query is a complex query, where we use a common table expression to calculate the most populous metro as our subquery, and the main query selects results within those metros based on each statistic. We then order by descending metro population and limit the output to our top 100 results. Let's take a quick look. For our highest earning zip codes, we have Silicon Valley, which is no surprise. We have Atherton, California, and Palo Alto, California. Right outside of Philadelphia, though, is Gladwin, PA. As we move down, the metros with the most expensive housing is dominated by California. No surprise there again. Charleston, West Virginia is our cheapest metro.